All right, welcome everybody. We are here at the New York Empire State Tattoo Convention. I'm about to do a Arnold Schwarzenegger T2 tattoo. I am so excited. I am hyped to get going on this tattoo right now. Gonna be fun, man. Doing one of my favorite things, celebrity portraits. Super, super fun tattoo.
And you dress for it.
I am looking the part. I'm feeling the part. I am ready, bro. I can't wait to do this Arnold T2 portrait today.
Whoa!
All right, you ready, dude? Yeah. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, man. Just diving right into it, starting from the bottom up, blocking in some of my dark tones you can see right there.
What do you start off with?
I believe that's a 17 mag I start off with. I like to start with especially my bottom edge, like, you know, fairly soft and kind of out of focus. And as I go up, you know, from the shirt and the neck, I slowly get smaller groupings, get more detailed. You know, you can see right there I'm getting into some rounds and really just starting to build up the tighter, more in focus details. Having fun.
A lot of cool little textures and details, the blood splatter and the kind of like face gore and stuff.
Dude, I love that about it. I mean, you're really like blending some of my favorite things, like doing a likeness of a character from a movie, but also like you've got some movie makeup, some of that texture, some of the rips and you know, just fun little details you can really get into where his skin is torn and you can see the metal underneath. Yeah, man, this is a really fun one. And you can see I'm just blocking in as I go. It's really about just committing the stencil at this stage in the game. You know, just kind of getting dark to medium tones, just getting that basic block in of the stencil so everything's kind of committed. And, you know, once I'm getting to the top here and I don't have to worry about the stencil anymore, that's when I can go back and really start filling in gaps.
Yeah, I really like that vibrant blue.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, I felt like, you know, there's a lot of warmth in the face, a lot of like warm, kind of orangey flesh tones. The blue really balances it out nicely. Fun hair textures, blocking that in with the side of the 13 mag. That's how I love to put in hair, especially like hair as sharp and spiky as Arnold's there.
I was gonna say, that is a strong haircut.
Oh yeah, bro. You know it. And now you can see I'm starting to, now that the stencil's all committed, I'm starting to block in some of those lighter tones, starting to fill in some of those gaps.
Some really interesting colors or warm and cool tones mixing together we're kind of creating over there.
Well, yeah, like we said about the contrast between the warm tones in the flesh versus the cool background. I like to sort of bring those background tones into the edges of the face, especially like the ear and the neck where it's going to recede back into space. I kind of like mute it out with some of those blues, bringing that coolness from the background right into the face there.
So you're kind of finding some of those colors by mixing the kind of the local color and the background color together?
You got it. absolutely.
Oh, that's cool.
And there I am with the 5-round shader, you know, putting in some tighter detail, 7 mag right here.
Man, you can already see that lightness coming through so good, man. It's awesome.
Thank you, bro. Super fun. Yeah, just getting down to smaller groupings. I'm using the 5-round a lot now to put in those white highlights and like almost white highlights, you know, having a lot of fun with it around those textured parts, around the rips. Yeah, man, so fun at this stage in the game. These last few elements are really bringing the whole thing together now. And yeah, that's what it's really about at this point. Like everything's already committed and we're really just dialing in that likeness, tweaking those final details.
Wow, it's amazing.
It's amazing. Thought Arnold was in the room with us.
He is, dude. Look at Wow, it's really cool to see the attention and care to, you know, each little part too. You know, you're being soft and gestural in the big soft areas, and then the, you know, cute little detail on the
That's what it's all about, just bringing it together in that final stages and just not, you know, that relentlessness, not being satisfied, you know, until it's 100% where you want it. You know, you can start off loose and gestural and then just really dial it in. And yeah, man, I couldn't be happier with how it all came out. It really came together. Such a fun piece, you know. I had a blast with it.
It's killed it, dude. It's awesome.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for checking it out. If you want to see more just like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions about my process, what we did with this piece, let us know what you think. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. We'll definitely take that into consideration, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Hasta la vista, baby.